Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, maintenance day today. As you can see, we well, if you've watched the previous videos, you know Dave Fire went in the water. I'll just show you. This is the inside of his diffs. I don't know how well it's going to show up, but there's all water in there, full of water they are. Hell of a mess. Maintenance, guys, it's all about maintenance. Yeah, it's fine driving them in the water and everything. You've got to completely strip them down after, you know. Some people tend to forget this, and so anyway, so that's what we're doing today. This is just what grease I use. It's not in there. It's not really in there long enough to worry about anyway. Every couple of runs, completely strip it down and change all the grease and everything. We've got a bent drive shaft by here. Don't know how well you can see it on there. Yeah, you can see. Don't know if you can see the bend in it. You should be able to. So we're going to get that out and straighten that. Like I say, get all this diff cleaned up. I've already done the back one. I was in quite a shape there. Let's show you some other stuff I got going on. Right, so we've got the centum by here, guys. I'll just quickly show you what we got going on by here. The bodywork, I've made some, hopefully going to catch the mud and stop it all flicking over all the electronics. It's just microwave meal packets. Just taped in there for now. I haven't done the front ones yet, so I'm in the middle of doing that. Made a bracket for the front light, so that's moved further back. Should be okay there. Making some mud flaps for the back. Fed up of getting mud in my teeth, so got that going on there. What else? Hang on. Right, this is a car that I've made just up for spare parts. I had lying around. It's shut down, but and there we've got the it was just a cheap one. It's all fully proportional now and everything. Got 1, 2, 4 to 8 electronics in there. It's only taped down for now because I haven't finished the bonnet, but I've made all this out of biscuit well, container, we'll say. They're no longer tins, are they? Just open that. As you can see, the electronics are in there. It's not quite finished. Got the Bodger servo in there and stuff. This one is a special build. I'm only going to have one shot at it because I'm going to jump it off a 100-foot cliff and see what happens. You run on 2S, that one. Something else I've been working on. I'm working on a load of stuff all at the same time, guys, to be honest. As you do. Right, this one was a cheapo thing. This is going to be a Skatepark basher. Had a Kramer servo in there. Waiting for the electronics to turn up in the post. But we're going to use the original motor because I just can't change that. So that's another build I've got in. Should be done by the end of the week with a bit of luck. And the Postman's Beam. Right, ordered a load of stuff. So today we have got some new hexes turned up. These are 12mm. I was hoping these would be the ones I've ordered for Dave, but they're not. They're ones I've ordered for something else, but they should be here soon with a bit of luck. I'm wondering, oh, they're probably too small for the centre and actually the pins in there. I don't know, we'll have a look. But so yeah, I can't think there's anything else I need to show you at the moment, guys. But I can't wait to get that one done and get him jumped off a cliff. Oh yeah, we have had something else turn up in the post. My double Dean's adapter, so I can run 2 batteries at the same time from there or the Centon, just to get a bit more run time. So yeah, we're really busy. I say I'm waiting for a load more stuff, guys, but I guess we'll do that when it turns up. Oh, look at that. You see the flay in that? That's probably loose inside again, so I'm going to have to strip that down and get that looked at. If it looks bad, you give it a wipe. It's all good. No worries. Yeah, there we go. Just the sort of general video, this one, guys. What else did I have to say about it? Oh, yeah, before I forget. My stupid dog barks at anything. Bumblebee, guys. 1/10 scale. It was really cheap toy grade, but we've changed out all his electronics and everything in here. This was an old Nico. Oh, what was the? I can't remember the name of it. I know Leon's got one. Everything out of there has gone into there, so it's fully proportional. Only thing I've got to fix is this. I've had to make up. It won't move at the moment because it's bolted. It's bolted in place, but I've got to make some shock mounts to go on there. I did have shocks on it at one point, but I've had to change. I've changed the motor in it and the this part. What do you call it? The gears and everything else. So yeah, just some Meccano. I slightly off to the one side by a couple of mil, but it won't make much difference. It is running, guys. She does run, but we just got to finish it up, get the shocks on there. As you can see, the gap, no, you can't really. That side's sort of flush and this side sort of sticks out a bit, but no great problem. I can't really alter it because I've slightly got the measurements from there, but yeah, so Bumblebee is almost complete. I think that's about it, guys, to be honest. Right, so I'm going to get this done, finished up, get all this stripped down and cleaned out, and yeah, we'll catch you on another video, guys. I've got a load more cars here that I've got to get out. So I know people have asked me what, how do I clean them? What grease do I use? Have you only got 3 cars? No, I've got a lot more than 3. It's just 3 I'm using at the moment. So anyway, I'll stop rambling, guys, and we'll catch you soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.